Hey James, how's it going? This is Cisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with Lisa this morning and I promised I would send out this video just to give you a screenshot as far as how well your website's performing online and just compare you against your competitors. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right to it, my friend. So looking right away at your website, some of the things that I look for is your content. Okay, and you need to have at least like 1,500 to 2,000 words of content to be indexed with Google. And I'm also looking at like keywords. Okay, and a keyword is anything someone might type in to Google looking for a particular service or product. And by the way, I feel like this is a really good looking site. And the things that I want to emphasize is looking for those keywords. And the reason why is because you want your keywords to be within your content because you want to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. For example, if you're a plumber servicing AC repair in Jupiter, well, guess what? You want to tell Google, I service AC repair in Jupiter, right? So make sure that you're ranking me for that specific keyword. Now let's jump over to this tab here. So this tab helps me understand how well your website is performing. Okay, it's a tool called Ahrefs, and I use this quite a bit because it just gives me those analytic details as far as any website as far as their performance goes. Now let's jump over here. So this here is your strength or your authority score. You're currently being indexed at 16, and then this score here is your trust flow, how trustworthy your site is. So you're probably thinking, are these good scores? They're really low. Where do I need to be? So my recommendation is to always be above 30 and have a golden ratio. What I mean about that is having these numbers very close to each other. So 16, 15, even if you would have 15 here, that's you're progressing to have a strong website because they're very close. Now, some of the factors that tend to affect these scores are your backlinks. And a backlink is basically anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So currently right now you have 49 backlinks with 22 referring domains. Now these links, they act like an endorsement for your website and it builds trust and power with Google. However, not all backlinks are created equal. So it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks and referring domains within your industry. Okay, if you were to get, for example, a backlink from a local pizzeria linking back to you, it could actually hinder your scores. Now, that is just one area as to what could affect these specific scores. Now, let's go over here. This is your organic keywords. So I want to know what keywords you're being indexed for. And this is super important. Okay, the reason why is because I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. Now look, AC repair Jupiter. You're being indexed for this specific keyword, and it's a buyer intent keyword because one, AC repair. Folks that are searching for AC repair, they understand what services they're looking for, and when you see the local area, in this case Jupiter, you are guaranteed that you're going to get a call from someone that lives in Jupiter. Now look at the volume. So what this means is this is an estimated amount of times that people are searching for this every single month. Okay, this is just an estimated amount, 100 people every single month. So imagine if you were just to get 50% of those calls. That's 50 people calling you. But you need to be ranked on the first pages of Google. Now, let's take this keyword, right, on that same idea, and let's type it into Google and see what pops up. Okay, your company's above all air heating. So let's take it section by section. This section here, this is the Google guarantee or the Google ad section. Okay, and currently right now, anytime you call them or message them, they are going to get a charge, which is called CPC, cost per click. But guess what? They're getting a call from someone that needs their services. This is my favorite area, which is the Google My Business page or the Google My Business profile. The reason why it's my favorite is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the Google My Business page. Okay, and I don't see you guys here. So this is another service that you definitely want to increase your rankings for. Now, some of the things that you can do yourself is get more reviews, respond to those reviews, optimize your content, optimize your photos, continue adding those photos on a monthly basis, and updating your content. Okay, updating on Google News, on the updates, updating with information about your business. The last thing that I want to go over is the organic listings. So these are the organic listings, meaning Google is already being able to rank them, right, based on their performance, based on the scores that I showed you on the tool called Ahrefs. So right now we're seeing Yelp as number one. We see Stephen K. Denny, and we also see ECM air conditioning. Now let's just see how well Stephen K. Denny's doing. Okay, So let's just take their domain, and I'm going to be looking at the same thing like I did with yours. I'm looking for keywords and the content. So right away, I see complete HVAC services in Jupiter, Florida. That is a keyword. Okay. So they have that keyword that they're trying to rank for amongst other keywords. Yeah, they have, their services here and things like that, ductless services, but I'm looking for those local keywords. You do want to have a variety of keywords, but let's just go here and let's see how well their website's performing. Look, 29 power, 15 trust flow. They have 483 backlinks with 141 referring domains. Okay, so that makes a big difference as far as their score goes. Now let's see their keywords, see where they're ranking at. Okay, so this is important. So look, AC Repair Jupiter, 100, and then their position's number 4. Okay, so a lot of things play into factor here, but the main thing that that we want to focus on is what type of work they're doing with their backlinks, and this is something that you definitely want to chase and be able to get those, because it's going to help you rank higher. On top of, you want to continue ranking for more keywords that are local. Okay. Anyhow, thank you so much for your time. James, if you have more questions, or if you just want to take this information and run with it, no harm, no foul, no strings attached. But I would love your feedback if that's possible. We'll love to get your thoughts as far as if this information was helpful or not. Please shoot me an email me back. That would be awesome, James. I would really appreciate that. Or just give me a call. Give me a call at 509-949-9300, or text me. Like I said, no strings attached. We'll love your feedback, though. Thank you, James, for your time. We'll talk to you soon.